Hello, this is the Forest Daughter Creole. I'd like to show you some additions I've made to add to some dream journals I'm working on. They're little sets of oracle cards. These beautiful ones with the unicorn on top are from the Wild Forest Junk Journal Kit by LenArteStudio. And these dark blue ones with all sorts of phases of the moon are the Celestial Moon ATC cards by DescardsArtPrintable. What I've done is print out the cards on cardstock, round the corners, and then I've sealed the colorful side with 2 coats of polyurethane varnish. This is what the bottle looks like. I get it at Michael's. It's not very expensive. When you're printing dark inks on white paper like I did, and you handle them a lot, the ink tends to rub off and reveal the white. But with 2 seals, 2 coats of this polyurethane varnish, they can be handled and nothing's gonna rub off. On the back side, I used my hand-dyed coffee paper, and I picked out 8 words I thought would be interesting in a dream journal to spark memories or things to write down, or just as a simple oracle pull for the day. This is ancient, freedom, wisdom, searching, comfort, hidden, lonesome, and welcome. And I have tied them on a length of vintage seam binding, lace seam binding, a different color for each set of each oracle deck here. And what that looks like, I don't know if you can find it anymore. This was vintage at a thrift shop for about 50 cents. It's stretch lace seam binding, but almost any pretty any pretty length of lace that's thin enough to go through the holes will be perfectly fine, or even seam binding that's not lace, or even just a ribbon or cord. This one with the more colorful pictures have the same words on the back, but instead of using coffee dyed tea paper, I used some pretty simple spring scrapbooking paper. It also gives you a place to write. Something kind of fun to think about. Thanks for tuning in.